Hey loves, welcome back to Coils Uncaged with Larry, where I teach you how to love your natural hair exquisitely. And if you're new, hi, karibu, welcome to the family. Feel free to look around. I have a selection of videos that I know you will love. So today we are doing an unboxing. Happy New Year, and we are starting the new year on the highest note ever. So we are doing an unboxing. I recently got myself a ring light, which comes with a tripod and some other free goodies that I am going to show you. So, and we're going to set it up. We're going to do a review on it and see how it works. Also, if you're curious to know how I achieved this turban look, I have a video for you. Your girl got you. I got you, honey. I have a video that I have filmed this. I'm not sure if it will go up before this video, but if it goes up, please go check it out. I will link it up here. But if it goes later, subscribe so that you can see the look. So that you can see how I achieved this. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. So this is how the package comes. Let's unbox it together. It comes with a tripod like that. Very well packaged, very well wrapped, and nice looking, very sturdy. And then it has a box and a bag that I'm going to show you just now. So this is what the bag looks like. It's nice to carry your ring light in, and this is the box. Somebody was kind enough to tear the box for me before I even unboxed it. Unajijua, you tore the box for me. I don't know why the footage right here doesn't look as clear. Please forgive me. I don't know what happened, but just bear with me. So this is all that is in the box. There's the charger, there's a mini octopus, and some two things that we'll figure out where they go as we fix the ring light. Keep on watching. So there is the ring light. It comes with a ring light charger. There is some other goodies I will show you. Now what I want to, like, it comes with this kind of an adapter, so you have to have like a different kind of an adapter so that you can fix it on charge. So when you plug it in, it lights up. There's like, you see that blue light, there's that blue light, and then there are a few selections. There's the mode, there's adding the brightness. So you just tap there, and oh my god, you see that? There's that mode. You can change to this mode. Guys, I'm excited. You can change to that other mode. You can reduce the brightness to that extent, as in that's the least. You can increase to that. Can you see that? Let's change the mode to, there's that mode, and then there's that mode. Ooh, honey, we are not ready. So let's now set it up together with the tripod and see how it works. I'm excited. So this is what the tripod looks like. You unfasten here, I think so, so that you can pull out the legs. I think you're supposed to pull out like 2. I think that's the farthest you can go, and then you fasten it out, as in fasten it so that it won't move. It won't move. And then there's also this fastener to like increase the height, so I can put it up to that height. Let me show you how it looks. So this is how it looks while it's set up. Well, I have stretched it out. I have like unfastened here so that I can like pull this up, and then I'll secure that into place. That's it. There's this cap. I think I'm supposed to remove this part. And then you can also lengthen it to however tall length you want it to be, but I don't want it to be that long. So I'm gonna shorten it kidogo so that we can like out there, so that we can fix the ring light. Then fasten that out. The ring light comes like this, and then it has like these 2 pins and this extension where you fix it. Okay, I'm supposed to fix it here. Oh my god. Now when I fix these 2 together, I'll just use this screw to fix this. Let me fix that, and then so that we can fix it here. Now that is fixed. Now what I'm gonna do is fix this here like that, and then use this screw that it comes with to just secure it in place. I think that's how it's supposed to be. Now we have everything in place. This is the ring light, and then this is how I fixed it up to down there. I want to fix this, which is the phone holder. Oh, you just screw it in there. And now you can bend it like so and connect your phone here. But since I'm recording using my phone, I will put it here once I'm done assembling everything. Now what's remaining, like I'm just going to fix it here. And you see that blue light, it works there. It has a remote. Like this is what the remote looks like, but then since I don't have batteries for the remote, we won't use the remote. It also comes with a Bluetooth clicker, which I think is a free gift. You just wash it like that. It's kind of cute. The mini octopus tripod. This thing is really nice. But then the problem with it is that it's not that stable, and also this part, it keeps on, like my phone is a little bit big, so it keeps on coming off. My phone keeps on snapping out of it, so I don't know, but it works. It works. I like it. So now let's get into testing this. Let me fix my phone first and then we can test the light again. So this is me the way I usually record without the light, but I already fixed my phone on the phone holder. I can't show you how because yeah, it's impossible. I don't have another phone to record with. So this is what it looks like. So this is me without the ring light on. This is what I usually film, although I have closed one blind, the window. I usually use a window in front of me to film. I have closed that so that we can see the magnitude of the lighting. So I'm gonna light it up. You see that? Do you see that? That is it when it's full light. That's one mode. It comes with 3 modes. That's mode 1. Next mode. That's the next mode. I like this one, but this is a little bit warm than the first one, which is not bad. It's kind of cute. Then the last mode, which is very yellowy, orangey. Not bad. It's cute. It's kind of cute. I like it too. It gives you that golden hour feel. Yes. And then the bright and airy mood that I am in for. Like I like this one, which is bright white light, cute and airy, cute like I am, right? Anyway, that's the bright. My take on the ring light is it's actually a 14-inch ring light. It's affordable, very affordable. It's also very I expected it to be a little bit brighter, but I'm not complaining. The brightness it's understandable. Let me close all the curtains and see if it look brighter. Okay, just a second. I have closed all the curtains now. I feel I'm a little bit but it looks nice. I love it. I really love it. I'll leave all the details of where I got it in the description. Let me put my favorite mode, which is that one. We are not ready. This is my favorite mode. It's the white, bright and airy, because I'm all about the white, bright, airy vibes. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for supporting me. Let's keep the fire burning. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, you are missing out. I have a lot of content there as well, so just click the link below in the description box. It will send you directly into my Instagram. So bye guys, see you on the next one. Bye.